Here's the historical marker here, the entrance to this park. It's called Marsh Park. And there's some interesting history behind the name of Marsh Park. The park was established in the memory of Mr. James J. Marsh and Dr. Henry Marsh. They were born in Telfair County, Georgia, and moved into the area south of this site around 1851 and 1852. The pioneer citizens cleared land, established farms, and constructed homes. Shortly after their arrival, a school was established and a church organized. From these early pioneer citizens, descendants have come who have made many contributions to the political, economic, and spiritual growth of Sumter County. For these contributions, this park is dedicated to them. There's a gate here that leads into the woods where some trails are. And sign in here on the sign-in sheet. Signed in right there. Looking forward to getting out here into the woods, exploring this area of the forest. Following this path here. And this is a really beautiful area. Great place to roam and experience some of Florida's great nature. And at one time, this path may have been one of the roads that was used by some of the settlers in the area during the 1800s. As I'm exploring around the woods here, I'm seeing a lot of citrus trees throughout the wilderness. You see one right there. Many of these trees were planted here long ago by some of the early settlers of the area. I've seen a lot of side trails and overgrown paths like this that just go into the woods, and I like those kind of areas. You never know what you can find in those places. When I see these kinds of trails, I just want to follow them to see where they lead. Found this area in the woods. Seems to be a clearing. May have been one of the Homestead sites. See a lot of citrus trees around, which is usually a good sign. See some rocks here piled up. And look around here and see if I can find any traces from the past. This is interesting. Over here seems to be remains of a cistern or something like that. It's mostly filled in now, but you can see the walls. Many homestead sites had cisterns like this. Who knows, maybe one of the old settlers lived here at this site. And nature has reclaimed the area. I'm going to keep searching around though and see if I can discover any other evidence from the past out here. Looks like part of a bed frame here. I'm seeing some metal around the area as well. It's not much, but I've seen a lot of old metal like this scattered throughout the area. Really have to search around to find anything left over from the site. It's really hard to make out, but this area here you can see part of a foundation. Mostly covered up by these leaves and dirt. See parts of it here broken up. Some really big trees out here. Well, I explored around the area, found some interesting traces from the past. A lot of the stuff out here you had to really search around to see any evidence from the homestead that was here, but finding what I did was very rewarding. Definitely in the right area where something used to be. I always enjoy the adventure in that part of it. So I do appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more old Florida videos showcasing the beautiful history of Florida and the great wilderness that we have here. Thank you very much.